Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Roman numerals. We know ancient Romans, they used letters in place of numbers. In this video we are going to study more about Roman numerals. Now the numbers that we use nowadays in our life are called the Hindu-Arabic numerals, whereas Roman numerals are written in alphabets. Like 1 in Roman numeral, it is represented by I, 5 is represented by V, 10 is represented by X, 50 is represented by L, 100 is represented by C, 500 represented by D, and 1000 is represented by M. Now there are 3 rules for writing Roman numerals. The first rule is called the rule of repetition. In rule of repetition, there are again 3 rules. The first one, it says that when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3. When a number or when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3. For example, if I write I 3 times, it means I represents 1. So 1 multiplied with 3, that is equals to 3. If I write x means 10, and x 2 times means 10 multiplied with 2, that is equals to 20. Second rule of repetition is the symbols I, X, C and M are only repeated or can be repeated maximum 3 times. The alphabets I, X, C and M are only repeated, and at most it can be repeated 3 times, whereas the symbols V, L, D are never repeated, The second rule is rule of addition. In this, when 2 numerals, for example a greater numeral is followed by a smaller numeral like this, now the smaller numeral, it says that the smaller numeral is always added to the greater numeral. For example, L means 50 and X means 10, so it becomes 50 plus 10, that is equals to 60. Same, another example, X, V, I. X means 10, V means 5, I means 1, I and I will give you 2, so it becomes 17. Next comes your rule of subtraction. Subtraction rule is similar to addition, only that the smaller numeral is written on the left hand side of the greater numeral. For example, L and X in this side, left hand side. As we know, L means 50, and as X is written on the left hand side of L, we subtract X, that means 10. So 50 minus 10 will give you 40. For example, this, take this IX. X means 10 and I is on the left hand side, means minus 1, I means 1, so 10 minus 1 means 9. An important thing to remember in this is alphabets V, L and D are never subtracted. These alphabets V 5, L 50, and D 500 are never subtracted. Now let us take an example. If I write I, this means 1. If I write I, this means 2. I equals to 3. Now I cannot write I 4 times because the maximum number of times I can repeat alphabet is 3. So to write 4, I will write 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. For 5 I will write V equals to 5. 6 VI. Similarly, all the alphabets I can write in this manner. For 9 IX. For 10 X. 20 XX. For 30 XXX. For 40 I cannot write X 4 times, so I have to subtract 10 from 50. 10 subtracted from 50, that is 40. Then L gives you 50, and so on. You can complete all the Roman numerals till 1000. Now for example, if I want to write 49 in Roman numerals, so what I will do, I will just write 40 first and then add 9. So how to write 40? 50 minus 10 and plus 9. 9 means 10 minus 1. So you will get X L I X. Similarly, if I want to write 99, I will use first 90, that is X C and 9, that is I X. Thank you.